All right, here we have another patient. I actually did a video earlier on in the week on this particular patient because we were working on some specific, but I realized something as I was re-looking at the graphs, and I wanted to kind of go over this with you guys so you're looking at what I'm looking at here. You can see here there is a missed heartbeat. Okay. Now originally when I did his first graph and I was just watching it go by the screen and it wasn't actually recording anything at that time, during a cycle of about 2 minutes, and you'll see even in this short time period he misses a second beat here, and that's just on the one, and each of these graphs is actually done separately, and I believe it was on the tricuspid. Yeah, there it is. He missed another couple beats during that time period. So let's see if I can get that arrow there and bring it across. So there's one there he missed, and one here. Okay, so you see that, right? Now he's been on the program for a little over a week now, or actually about a week at the time I took this, and you can see, and again during the recording session, again watching it 2-3 minutes, I noticed numerous missed beats, probably 10 or 15 during that time period. And you can see here nothing got missed, and you can see again on the pulmonic area. I just run through that again, and you can see again nothing was missed, and this went through all 4 chambers of the heart. I didn't miss a single beat during any of it, and that's pretty impressive to me. I mean, that means his heart is functioning a little bit better now with the supplements we gave him, so that's really, really good. And yeah, so get an idea how good this stuff works. So if you wish some help from us, you're welcome to give us a call. Phone number is 716-754-9039. And always remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body.